Hey, to customize the lock screen on a Xiaomi 17T Pro, open the settings for the first, go to the personalization, and now just simply click on the lock screen and take a look how many things we can do here. First of all, if you want to get a quick preview how it's gonna look with all of those changes, you can make this simple double tap gesture like so. But what you can also do with wallpaper, we can just pinch in and pinch out if you want to pick some specific part of your wallpaper. But now let's move for all of those things. Take a look. If you are gonna click here for the first, you can change this simple widget with a date, and for example we can add here the temperature. But to get current temperature information, you have to enable location on your phone. Next, what we can do, we can change clock style. So take a look, we can find here like a lot of it doesn't actually swipe up, never mind, but we can find a lot of different clock styles that we can quickly pick. So if I want to get, for example, this one, or for example this one, I can go even for the font. I can change its font style. I can change the effect for the overlap, gradient, blend. I can change time color and colon. Additionally, I can use separate colors for hours and minutes. It's also possible. When we go back and click here, as you can see, we cannot find those other things that we can customize. So in this case, we have to actually go back for the previous clock style. Here we can add or remove some text to the lock screen. We can even add here emojis. There we go. And we can find those effects. So we can change how the wallpaper looks. There's few of them. We can add matte effect here. And right now what we can also do, we can of course change wallpaper. We can use AI dynamic wallpapers, so these pictures will be animated. Or we can set photo from our gallery, or we can use default photos. And now if you make all of those changes, click apply in the right upper corner.